Maintain a 5 to 10 foot clearance from combustible walls as a practical thumb rule for permanent outdoor gas barbecue installations. When planning a permanent gas barbecue line, take a systems approach. Determine the barbecue BTU load and size the supply line accordingly using published tables and a pressure drop calculation, so performance is stable at typical supply pressures. Choose proper materials such as black iron or approved flexible stainless steel tubing for the final connection and ensure all fittings are rated for outdoor use and wet locations. Route the fixed gas line away from windows, doors and vent openings, and plan for physical protection like conduit or high sidewall mounting where impact is possible. Incorporate a readily accessible shutoff valve within 6 feet of the appliance, so emergency isolation is simple and tool-free. Use a quick disconnect on the flexible connector only where codes allow and select one designed for outdoor use with an integrated safety feature to prevent accidental disconnection. Test the completed system with a soap solution and manometer at working pressure and keep a record of the test pressure and duration for future service. Common mistakes include running the barbecue too close to combustible siding, which creates a fire and heat damage risk. Move the unit to maintain the 5 to 10 foot clearance or add a non-combustible barrier and confirm local code clearances. Another frequent issue is undersized piping that yields poor burner performance and excessive regulator cycling. Correct this by recalculating BTU demand and upsizing the main or adding a dedicated supply with pressure regulation sized for peak load. Finally, people rely on a rigid connection at the appliance, which transmits vibration and stress to fittings. Install an approved flexible connector or quick disconnect where allowed, and always include a nearby service valve to isolate the appliance without shutting down the whole line. On bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors who list their services so you can compare options for gas line installation and barbecue setup. We also host an active discussion community where we share installation tips and troubleshooting experiences to help both homeowners and contractors find the right solutions.